So the second movement given in your book is the anti-liquor movement. Okay, so in this also the people or a general category of people were not happy with the prevailing rules, so they started an anti-liquor movement. So what was this? Post independence, India witnessed an anti-liquor movement led by the women in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, they organized a large scale protest against the increase in the number of liquor shops. So basically, after independence, okay, post independence, what did India saw? India saw a movement that is called anti-liquor movement. It was started by the women in which state? In the state of Andhra Pradesh. Now they felt that a large scale protest was organized due to the increased number of liquor shops. So they felt that the liquor shops were constantly increasing. Okay, so due to that they actually protested their, they showed their disagreement. The licensed liquor shop had opened unauthorized counters to increase their sale, so people had easy access to liquor. This resulted in many poor people wasting their money on liquor. So what happened? There were shops, okay, which did had licensed, but then what were they doing? They were doing, they were opening a lot many counters जहाँ से सेल हो सके, and these counters were not authorized, they were unauthorized. The shop had the license, but जो उनके counters बहुत जगह पे खुल रहे थे, they were not authorized. So if for one shop many counters are opening, that too if they are not authorized, तो क्या होगा? लोगों को easy access मिल जाएगा liquor purchase करने का. Now for poor people this is even more worse. As such, they don't have basic necessities to fulfill, and over the top, if poor will go and purchase liquor, this is even more worse. And things don't, stop here at liquor only. What happened? It is a cycle. See, if a person is purchasing liquor, and that to a poor person, or not just a poor person, it happens in all kinds of family, and then the men of the family drinking, getting drunk, and then doing all form of torture to their female counterparts, that is their wives, beating, torture, and other kinds of activity also. So what was basically happening? Especially the poor people, they started wasting their money on purchasing liquor. So some brave women decided to protest against the sale of liquor. They launched an anti-liquor movement. They knew that the ban on liquor shop would not be easy to enforce, as liquor was important source of revenue for the government. Now what was happening? So this, there was a group of women. They started a protest against liquor. So they started showing their disagreements. It is not there in your book, but at many places they went into the group, they had all the lathi sticks, and they used to just go into the shops and take out the bottles and throw it away, break the bottles. So they basically were actually protesting against the liquor shops, but they knew that this protest will not be easy. Why? Because the country is gaining a lot of revenue. Country को बहुत ज़्यादा tax मिलता है. कहाँ से? From liquor shops only. However, after much protest, the ban was imposed. Now the protest was successful. After a lot of protest, जिस रीज़न के लिए वो बैन कर रहे, जिस रीज़न के लिए वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, उस पर बैन लग चुका था. Laws have proved instrumental in bringing about social reforms. However, laws alone cannot curb social evils. Now they are saying actually laws ने बहुत important role play किया है. For what? To bring about social reforms. Okay, social is something to do with society, and reforms is a kind of better version, or you can say to improve the prevailing condition of the society. However, laws alone cannot curb social evils, and we all know that सिर्फ लॉज बना देने से कोई सोशल बैड एविल्स ख़त्म नहीं हो जाते. वी इवन नीड टू ब्रिंग इन अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल. ओके, social awareness is also needed to change the mindset of the people. So we read about basically two movements, that is the salt satyagraha, okay, and the anti-liquor movement, which were launched by the women of Andhra Pradesh, where we see that how laws and dissent goes. Okay, dissent is what? That when you have a strong disagreement, when you do not like a certain kind of laws. Okay, so how you can protest against those laws in a country like democracy also. All right.